All right, how's it, everybody? Okay, now it is time for us to begin writing the rough draft. You know what I'm saying? Let's do this. Why? Because we already got our topic, right? And then we already made our claim or our argument about that topic, based on like our own like opinions on that topic or based on our own like understandings and beliefs and feelings about that topic. We've already come up with our claim, our central argument. And then on top of that, we already got our three reasons why we believe that claim is true. And these three reasons are really strong. And if we felt like the reasons weren't that strong, then we're going to either have to replace ones that are weak, or if all three of them are not that strong, we might have to get a new claim. But we've picked our topic, we've created our claim about that topic, we've described three strong reasons why we believe that claim about that topic is true. And then the very last activity that we did as a class was we put the claim and the three reasons together in one very streamlined sentence called a thesis. Okay? We have that thesis, and now we are ready. Now we have like the purpose, the focus, the main point of our essay. Let's start writing the rough draft. Here we go. I want to teach you guys how to write in this video the introduction paragraph by first showing you guys introduction paragraph structure. And like I always say, if you know a piece of writing's structure, whether it's a personal narrative or whether it's an essay or whether it's a piece of poetry, if you know a piece of writing structure, then you can reconstruct it anytime you want. That helps you tremendously to be not only a confident writer, but a strong writer, a good writer. So I'm going to teach you the structure of the introduction paragraph right now. It's so simple, man. So simple, any of you will be able to understand this. And if you don't understand it, just hit me up and ask me questions on the email. The introduction paragraph basically has three parts to its structure. Part number one is called the hook. Okay? The hook sometimes is called the grabber sentence. Sometimes it's called the lead sentence. But basically what it does is it is a sentence about your topic that grabs the reader's attention. So we want to start off our essay strong with a very strong opening sentence. We want it to begin to introduce our topic. We also want it to grab our reader's attention, hoping that they'll want to like learn more. They'll want to continue reading. Part number two is the background information section. Now, we can't assume that our readers understand our topics, and so we're going to have to give them a little bit of background. So it says here 2 to 4 sentences that introduce your topic to your readers. Okay? Don't just assume that because you know your topic that everyone that's going to read or could possibly read this essay knows your topic too. You're going to have to give them enough background knowledge about that topic so that they can understand what the heck you're talking about in your essay. Finally, the last part. Not surprisingly, because I've already said this enough times, the final part of the intro paragraph is called the thesis statement. And again, the thesis statement is nothing more than our claim and our three reasons written all together in one neat little streamlined sentence. I'll show you some examples right now. Here we go. This right here is a essay that I included in workbook 1 for you guys called School Uniforms Equals School Unity. We can tell from this title that the topic is about school uniforms. What's the claim? What's their argument? Well, I got the feeling that they are for school uniforms because the title kind of suggests that they believe that school uniforms help to build school unity. And unity always is a positive thing. So it sounds like they're for school uniforms. Let's find out. Next, you notice that I color coded the three parts of the introduction paragraph structure. The yellow part, of course, is the hook, the lead, the grabber sentence. The green part is the background information section. And then the orange part is the thesis sentence. Okay, one simple, single sentence. Let's read this, man. Should schools make their students wear school uniforms? I believe the answer should be yes. Okay, yo, interesting. That's actually two sentences in the grabber hook sentence. Well, this is what I think. When you ask a simple yes or no question as your very first sentence, and then the second sentence follows it up with a yes or no answer, that they probably both together work as a grabber sentence, even though it's technically two sentences. You get what I'm saying? They work together as like one idea. The next part, the background information part, right? Kids are stressing every morning about what to wear and did I do the laundry and wash this or that shirt and jeans, and when did I wear this and that last, and what looks better, this or that, and all kinds of other worries that take up too much of their attention. School uniforms can eliminate this and more. Okay, so they're giving us a little bit of background information about this so that we not only get their vibe, we not only get their claim, what they're trying to argue, but we also gain a little bit more like background about this particular topic. Here's a thesis. School uniforms are good for schools because they can help families financially, reduce dress code problems, and it gives the school the opportunity to feel more unified. Okay, I'm not sure if I buy all of that, but at least the thesis was structured correctly. The thesis had a claim school uniforms are good for schools. And then it had three strong reasons. Now, one of the reasons, yeah, I'm not all sure if that's strong or not, but at least structurally, everything was there and in the right place and doing the right things. Let's take a look at one more sample. Let's take a look at this crazy essay right here. So here we go. This is entitled Bill 40 is good for Hawaii. Yo, what the heck is Bill 40? We're about to find out. Here we go. You notice again the yellow stands for the hook, grabber, lead sentence. The green, whoa, so small, is the background information sentence. And then this whole jacked up color section is a thesis. And now I'll explain why the colors are different on this one. But here we go. Let's take a look at this long grabber sentence. On December 4th, 2019 in Honolulu, hundreds of college and high school students came out to the state capitol building in a show of public support of Bill 40, a bill that would ban polystyrene and single-use plastic plates, bowls, cups, utensils, straws, foam containers, and other foodware items across the island of Oahu. Yo, that was one long hook sentence. But you know, it kind of did something else too. Didn't it explain what Bill 40 was? Isn't that like background information? It kind of is, isn't it? So it's almost like background information um, was not just one sentence, but kind of also was a part of the first sentence as well. If you're a good writer, you can mess with the construction, with the structure of this thing, and still have everything functioning right because you're an advanced writer. And this person is an advanced writer. Yo, let's look at the second part, the background information. Bill 40 will be an amazing accomplishment for our community and for the environment. Not just here in Hawaii, but also around the world. Okay, gave us a little bit more background information about this topic. Let's see if we learn more. Now, here's the thesis statement, and we have the claim here in orange, and then we have the first reason in this hot pink. We have the second reason in this deep purple, and then we have the third reason in this crazy like dark blue here, okay? And that's why these things are highlighted different colors. But really, they all are make up the thesis statement. It's just a claim with the three different reasons. Let's read it. Okay. Let me get this pen again. Banning single-use plastics is necessary for Hawaii because it would decrease the amount of plastic that is ending up in our oceans. It will help to eliminate plastic particles that are poisoning our food chain, and it will cut down on the amount of pollution that is caused by the manufacture and transportation of these products. Okay. Yo, and that's all it takes to put together a killer introduction paragraph, right? A great hook sentence, sufficient background information for our readers to understand what the heck you're talking about, and then a very clear and a very efficient and streamlined thesis statement made up of your claim and your three strong reasons all in one sentence. And now you know how to do this. If you have to watch this video again a couple times till I get it, go for it. Peace. I'm out of here. Oh, longest video ever, like 12 minutes.